Sebastian, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well.
Amazing aircraft you have here.
Yes, this is the only vertical electric jet in the world. We started building it a few years ago out of Munich. We're a German company based in Munich, and as you can see, it's a vertical aircraft, so you can actually see the engines would be actually moving from a vertical position to a horizontal position, which would get into a cruise mode, and now you can actually fly, roughly speaking, 200 kilometers from your destination.
What about the timeline? We can see here a small concept, and in the back we can already see videos where the aircraft is lying.
That's correct. What you can see here on the video back on the wall here is prototype. Those are prototype aircraft. They will help us confirm all of the technology we're using, whether it's batteries or engines, and obviously we do a lot of aerodynamic work as well with the data we can gather. So those are prototype aircraft. It's not a full model. We're going to be building that full model a bit later on in a couple of years, and then we'll do flight testing to certify the aircraft by 2025. So we're excited to be at EBACE this week because obviously our aircraft is premium by nature. You've seen the exterior of the aircraft. It has 30 engine, it's quite large. We decided to go for the maximum takeoff weight possible for that category of aircraft, which is roughly 3.2 tons. And also because we have a very spacious cabin. What you can see behind me is the cabin of our aircraft meant for the business aviation sector. So you actually have 4 seats in a white club cabin configuration, very spacious, a lot of light, which allows customers to go from a helicopter experience, which was kind of noisy and tight, to something much more interesting and a much nicer experience with low noise, obviously zero emissions, and great comfort. It would be a single pilot operated aircraft, and we have selected a very good company called Honeywell Aerospace to do our avionics and flight control. So we are very confident that will go very well, and it's the plan for most of the electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft.